I'm sure it's going to go in front of us. We have a funnel cloud on the live stream. Funnel cloud on the live stream. Ground circulation. We got a tornado on the ground. Look at the bottom by the corn.
I don't see it.
It's on the ground.
I don't see it, but okay.
Hey, we got one on the ground, guys. Look at the debris right there on the very ground. Look at the base of the corn and the stuff getting flinged up. You can barely see it. Yes.
I see it.
There's a tornado on the ground.
I see it.
And we're in a great spot right here.
Are you sure this is?
Yes, I am 100% sure it's going to go south of us.
Because we're super close.
Nobody even knows. It'll cross right in front of us.
You sure?
I'm sure. Honey, it's right out our window already.
I see it. That's why I'm freaking out.
We're in a great spot. Don't worry.
If you get us hit, mister.
I'm not going to get us hit. He's going to get us close. He's driving right into it.
Severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Doddridge County in northern West Virginia, northeastern Gilmer County in north central West Virginia, northern Lewis County in northern West Virginia.
I'm going to point the car toward
Tornado.
Is that it?
Yes, that's a funnel cloud right above us. Look at that rotate! Holy cow!
Stop. Stop the car.
I will.
I know you're excited, but stop the car. I've got it on my phone, okay?
All right, it's dissipating. Wow. RFD coming into it.